1. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. 2. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. 3. Believe you can and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 4. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 5. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. 6. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 7. Your time is limited, don't waste it living someone else's life. Steve Jobs. 8. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Christian D. Larson. 10. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Albert Schweitzer. 11. The future depends on what you do today. Mahatma Gandhi. 12. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Unknown. 13. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. 14. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Unknown. 15. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Roy T. Bennett.